Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked cool 1968 Chevrolet C10 short box. Killer little truck, guys. I originally sold this truck a little over a year ago. A gentleman just traded it back in, but the truck was originally out of Tennessee. It's got just under 1,000 miles on a complete frame-off restoration. Hopped up aluminum-headed 3-3 stroker motor underneath the hood. Neat truck. It's got a 5.7 drop on it with a C-notch frame. So it's got a good stance to it. I love the color combo. It's got that two-tone red and white, black vinyl interior. It's got 20-inch US mag chrome wheels all the way around it. Cowl hood. I just put about 5-6 miles on it. It's a good little truck, guys. Runs out good. It's got a big stall converter in it, about a 3,000 stall. A few little things you can nitpick on it. A couple little touch-up marks. Pretty doggone nice truck. Love the stance. Padded dash in there. Saw a couple little marks in the glass. Good looking truck, man. And these trucks are hot. Truck's nice and clean underneath. That's just a little wax, I think, guys. Yep. Nice and flat down the sides. Again, 20-inch US mags all the way around it. Killer stance. That chrome in 68 is cool. I love the trim. Power front disc brakes. Again, healthy little 3-3 aluminum headed stroker motor. It's got a Holley dual feed 4-barrel. Weiand Team G aluminum intake. Does have headers on it. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Does have air. Air blows cold, guys. MSD 6AL ignition on it. Aluminum radiator. It's got a 400 turbohydramatic trans and, like I say, about a 3,000 stall in it. It is chilly today. We might get some sunshine here in a second. It's trying to peek out. Next few weeks, I'm going to be out chasing cars like crazy. Got quite a few little shows we're going to, so make sure you're keeping track of that website. We hopefully got some new stuff coming. New carpet, new sill plates. Bench seats, got tilt wheel with a sport, or a tilt column with a sport steering wheel in it. Tacking gauges. It's got a Retrosounds radio in it. Got 985 on the odometer. I just put 4 miles on it. All the gauges work. The oil pressure's actually down there. Radio works, blower motor works, padded dash. That was an option in these. It's got Flowmaster dual exhaust. It is a 12-bolt 355 rear end. I was going to tell you one thing. I think the tach's a little off. That was the one thing that I noticed. I think the tach reads a little high. Yeah, and truck's clean underneath. Got some pictures at the bottom of it for you. Door jambs are a little dry with the paint. Those gauges look brand new. Column's nice. Breaking Nathan back in. Nasty little cam to it. Drive a little harder. Belt squeaking a little. Yeah, that alternator belt might be a little loose too. Truck gets its R's quick. I mean, it scoots. Fuel gauge works, again. Temp gauge works, oil pressure, it's holding good oil pressure there. Nasty little cam to it. Truck hits. Yeah, blower motor works. Doors open and close nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time we post a new video, guys. That is a good looking truck. Good looking stance. Ooh, that wind's cold.